Hello everyone, Crypto Daily here. I'm on the crypto website and I am looking at the CBDC lifecycle. It's a document that was found on the Ripple website. It's a one-pager and it's basically telling you the future of money. CBDCs, of course, central bank digital currencies, have the potential to help digitalize entire economies and are powerful next steps on the journey towards the Internet of Value. So basically, this is where a lot of people are going. A lot of companies, a lot of countries are exploring this because it's faster, it's more security, and Ripple is basically letting us know what it is and what they have to offer. A recent case from the Bank of International Settlements, BIS, found that 90% of central banks surveyed are exploring the creation of a central bank digital currency. That's 90%. That is a lot. So therefore, they are exploring it because, well, it's going to help their business. What is driving the adoption of CBDCs, central bank digital currencies? Quite simply, CBDCs offer the ability to simplify payments through digital currencies backed by stable traditional financial institutions. In developing economies, CBDCs offer the ability to reduce bank fees, that is very, very important, bank fees over here, and expedite mobile payments to include large unbanked populations. And that is huge because now a lot of people would have access to digital currencies that normally would not have before. And they can receive payments and they can send payments. And it seems like a win-win for everyone. But we'll see. It's really regulation that people are waiting on. Cryptocurrencies do not always offer the same insurance, basically it's cryptocurrencies, and protections that CBDCs can provide to consumers. That is very important here for the insurance part because you know how many people are going to get their money back from this FTS collapse, from the Voyagers and from the Celsiuses. Not a lot of people, you know, even if they do it, they'll get pennies on a dollar. So CBDCs offer the insurance and are better than just regular cryptocurrencies. All right, so what is the benefit of Ripple CBDC solution? Ripple CBDC solution offers these important benefits to users. Stability, of course, security and resilience, financial inclusion through easy access with what we call this one here, reduce energy consumption. I saw that right there. That is huge, especially for the U.S. with the green, I think it's called the Green Deal that President Joe Biden signed. And this would be big for the U.S. and for the whole world, for the planet, period. Right? So real world uses for Ripple CBDC. Ripple is already working with the government of Bhutan and Palau to turn their CBDC vision into a reality. So we just saw that the cycle of CBDC, the life cycle of CBDC is here. So now let's take a case study of someone or a company that is using CBDCs and why it is better than Swift.
I'm the CEO and co-founder of Money Match. Basically what we do is we're a Malaysian-based company that handles cross-border payments, primarily for SMEs. And with Ripple, that's basically helped us allow these SMEs to make payments to, I think, over 100 countries around the world already. When Ripple made the introduction, it's sort of like a hug instead of a handshake, right? And that basically allowed us, granted us greater access and quicker access to banks as well. So we're speaking to the right people, in the right partners, and like I said, being on the RippleNet sort of gave us some sort of credibility as well, and they took us basically a lot more seriously, and then they allowed us to basically open up the payment rails and corridors to these countries as well, which in turn lowered our costs and then sort of generated more volume.
Lower their costs and generate more volume. So it's a win-win for them, win for their customers, and win for Ripple.
Ripple sort of kickstarted everything for us with that regards to certain corridors, of course. I think the partners that Ripple have brought on board, we saw a cost reduction of close to about 40%. We obviously took this.
That's really huge. 40% of cost reduction. My goodness. Now imagine what they can do with that money. They can grow bigger. It can be better for the consumers if Ripple is allowing them to save that kind of percentage.
Cost savings and pass it back down to the customer. So
As I
return
said.
created a lower euro pricing for us as well, which then in turn completes the loop. So then we had more customers, we generated more volumes. Yeah, I mean we were using other partners, even Swift to a certain extent, right, to clear our European payments as well. So the Swift network typically takes 2 days, right, for the money to reach our customers. We managed to get money to Europe in under 5 hours.
From 2 days to 5 hours using RippleNet. That is awesome, and that is why Ripple XRP is a lot better than Swift as far as sending money.
Yeah, that's basically for my compliance to clear, to our partners' compliance to clear, and basically the money reaching our client's account in euro through the SEPA network. So that greatly enhanced the whole experience for our customers as well, and in turn, yeah, created a very satisfied customer. The sort of vision I think that we have for Money Match as well is pretty in line with what Ripple has as well. And you wanna make payments everywhere, anywhere, and everywhere, right? So I think that's typically something that
Anywhere, everywhere, and at all times.
we are looking to grow to as well. I mean, it's one thing about what we have the rails right now. I mean, thanks to Ripple, but I think that what we really want to do is to have the ability to collect and not send as well, and have multiple licenses so we can grow our own network. But I think the key focus would be to build our outbound and collection capabilities in the near future on a global scale.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Ripple is doing it big, and actually, when they do win the case against the SEC, it's going to be big. I think it's going to their Bank of America will jump in, and I think one of their partners I see Bank of America under anyways. But it's awesome to see that. Thank you for taking the time to watch, to listen, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Peace.